In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect AvaTrade to MT4. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the very top right where you can see your profile icon, click on this arrow right next to it and click on See All. In here, you're going to see all your accounts. For me, I just have demo accounts right now. I don't have a real account yet. I have not yet upgraded, so I just have to click on Add an Account, select Demo Account, and then here you want to select under Trading Platform where it says MT4. Click on it, select your base currency, and click on Submit. And what this is going to do is create a new demo account for you. Over here, you can already see it's going to say thank you for your registration, and then it's going to basically send you an email where you can basically see your credentials to be able to sign in to your MT4 account. So the way you do this, you can then go back here, click on See All again, and then you'll be able to see your account. So let me actually get out of here because this is currently, there we go. Let me get back. And it's going to show the list of my demo accounts. Okay, so I'm back right now. And this should now show me a list. And you can then download their MT4 platform via that. Okay, so there we go. As you can see, here you want to click on Download MetaTrader 4. And this is going to download to your computer. Click on that. And then you're basically going to have to just confirm a few things over here. So just like that, you have to read this and click on Next. And then you're going to have to wait until this comes to an end. And when this green line, there we go, reaches the very far end, you'll be able to click on the Finish button down here and essentially sign in. So once that's done, you want to, of course, there we go, click on the Finish button. And it's going to open up this window, which is not important, but it's also going to open up what actually is what we're doing right now. And this is the AvaTrader MT4 terminal, where it's going to first start scanning, and then it's going to ask you to sign in. So click on Next, and you want to click on Existing Trade Account, and in here is where you want to put in your login and password. So here, your login is going to be again inside your email, and then your password is going to be the one you created while creating your account. So let me just type that in. There we go. And then you want to click on Finish. And just like that, there we go. You could hear the sound in the background. I am now signed in to my Ava account. Okay, so the AvaTrade account is up here inside my demo account, and I can go ahead and start trading. So that's that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.